In this video, we are going to install SQLite3 on Ubuntu Linux. We are going to create a database in SQLite3 and also going to create a table and insert some data into that table and perform a simple select query. To install SQLite on Ubuntu terminal, we need to type sudo apt get install SQLite3. Now we have this SQLite3 installed. I'm just going to clear the screen and then type SQLite3 and then the database name SQLite3 and then demo.db. This will create a database name demo and just hit enter. We are inside this database demo.db. Over here I can create a table. I can use SQL statement create table and then its name, that will be first table, and add ID into that table of data type int not null and make it a primary key. And the other field will be just a name and its type will be varchar. This will create a first table for us, and also define the type of data we are going to have. One is ID, the first one, it's of int type and it is set to be a primary key, and the other one is the name with the data type of varchar of length 20. So just hit enter, and now I'm going to insert some data into this table. I'm going to use SQL statement insert into, and then our table name, first table, and its values. I'm going to type values, and then for the ID I can give 1, and for the name that will be my name as a string or varchar. That's awesome. And just hit enter after this, and now I'm going to perform a select query to look up our data. So I'm going to do select star from first table. It will print all the data in this table. You can see it printed the ID and the name. So this way you can create a database in a SQLite and create a table and insert data into table and perform a query. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.